Yeah, hello YouTube. Today I'll be showing you some things, the gospel movements on chords that you could play to make your playing sound more amazing. So, like if you have something like Amazing Grace, let's do the harmonization to. So that is the I play Amazing Grace. This chords is the very simple thing you could just play. My chord, play my chord at times like this. If there is part there, so let me have. You see the way it sound. When you play it like this, you can use 7 yeah. So this one is okay. You hear the sound. So it's a very beautiful. Let's go. So you're playing these chords. You need to be careful because your harmony, your melodies. Let's try this melody like this. This primary. You see? So you can see. So let's try picking up the chords. So yeah. So it is very simple thing to do. So now let's try a chord we could pick out. Let's pick out the 7th chord. This one. Some call it 713, like a flat. So let's use number 1. So it's a very simple thing you just need to do. Let's go with this chord. This okay, see? Like these we have chords like this. Can you have chord 7 at this left, and we have let's take that song. Amazing Grace, how sweet just pick these chords. The first one, most guys have been asking me, how do you play this thing? And how do you do that? How do you form the chords? So I have this blue scale. You can use it on your warship. So he said, oh man. Change it. So there are some singers that do understand this thing, but most of singers don't understand it. So you also need to be careful in case of accidental or something like that, because some voice, some eras are not too convenient with it. They are not too convenient with this note, with these diminish chords and your harmonica or the scales. They are not too convenient with it. They don't too understand the language, so you just have to give them major aspect. So you want to make use of the major. Mostly I love the major aspect. So we're not using any minor except from the 7. Okay, now amazing grace. See, how sweet the sound. You see. So you can make use of this. You can change the key. Going to E flat. So amazing grace, how sweet the sound. So you can change the key. So we have the you can change so you see how it goes. So thank you very much. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Comment down below this video if you like this video. Please don't forget to follow up. Please don't forget, like, subscribe to this channel. I'm bringing more content like this. I pray by end of this year I'll be getting a MIDI, so you can also see what I'm playing. So the last lesson we're talking about the cycle of the 5th. So most of you love that. Have been telling me, hey, teach us Alpha, teach us this stuff, the cycle of the 5th. So something. So by next tutorial I'll be breaking this thing down. So stay tuned. Thank you.